Hi there, friends, fellow crafters. It's LeeAnn, and I'm going to give you some music today. We are here with Rinea using the Autumn Variety Pack, a stamp set from Clair, some dies from Cat Scrappiness, some acetate, some shaker bits from the Maker's Movement, and we're going to have some spooky fun. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the short video. And I'm back. So as you can see, I'm putting my card base together now, and I am using Recollections 110-pound cardstock. Here I am cutting the marigold orange with a gold background. That's my first layer. I'm using the Starstruck green as my back layer for the spooky. The Starstruck Ebony is my top layer, and my two little kids from October Fun. Have a great day.